Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Subaru Outback and I'm going to show you how to remove the ambient air temp sensor. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so right here is our ambient air temp sensor. This tells us what the temperature is outside of the vehicle. I'm just going to take my little forky tool and go between the bracket and the clip for it. Pop it out. That's what the clip looks like. Nothing too special. Right here, there's a little thumb squeeze button. I'm going to squeeze, try to wiggle this right out. There we are. And there's our ambient air temp sensor. So right here's our wiring harness. You want to make sure that you don't have any funny colors in there. No rust or debris or rainbow colors, corrosion. This looks really good, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going to go ahead and reconnect my ambient air temp sensor. Just clip it in. Listen for a click. I'm going to take the clip. I'm going to push it back in its bracket. It's happy there. Make sure it's in there pretty good. Moves around, but it's not going to fall out. I'm not worried about it. Looks good to go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.